Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to find all the posts you've liked on Instagram by date, right from your PC, then you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, it's now easier than ever to organize your liked posts and track them down by the exact date you interacted with them. Let's dive straight into the step-by-step process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the one labeled Menu to expand your choices. Next, from the expanded menu, find and select your activity. This section is your personal hub for everything you've done on Instagram, from comments to searches, and yes, your likes. Now, under your activity, look for the Interactions section. Here, you'll see an option called Likes. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, you'll see a list of all the posts you've liked, but we're not done yet. To sort your liked posts by date, find the Sort and Filter button at the top of the list. Click on it, and you'll see options to choose a specific date range. Select the start and end dates for when you want to see your liked posts. This is perfect if you're searching for something you liked last week, last month, or even last year. Once you've chosen your dates, simply click Apply. Instagram will now filter your liked posts, showing you only those that match your selected timeframe. Scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for, all neatly organized by date. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now easily find all your liked posts by date on Instagram using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.